Ever wanted to turn your iPhone into a magic wand that can instantly interact with the world around you? Well, it can. We're talking about NFC, and in just 1 minute, I'll show you how to unlock this powerful hidden feature on your phone. Step 1. First, let's make sure you're ready. The good news, if you have an iPhone 6 or any model newer than that, you're all set. So for most of you, this will work perfectly. Step number 2. Now, here's where you find the feature. Swipe all the way to your app library. Search for an app called Shortcuts. Tap on that. Once you're in the Shortcuts app, tap on Automation at the bottom. Then tap on the new blue Automation button. From here, you can either scroll or just use the search bar to find NFC. Tap on it, then tap on Scan. Your screen will now say ready to scan, and just like that, you've enabled NFC on your phone. Remember, the NFC locator is located at the top of your iPhone, right next to the camera. Just hold that part of your screen to an NFC tag and you're good to go. Ever wondered if your call is being recorded? Watch this video to learn how to turn off call recording on your iPhone.